This video will walk you through installing your thermometer and bulkhead fitting onto your cold brew system. Begin by fully disassembling the bulkhead fitting. Note that your bulkhead comes with two washers. You will only be using one of them when installing it on your cold brew system. Save the other one for backup. Once your bulkhead is fully disassembled, begin by wrapping Teflon tape around just 1/2 of the threaded portion. Screw this threaded portion into the sleeve of the bulkhead fitting until tight. Next, insert the metal washer over the threaded portion, then insert the bulkhead through the hole in the kettle. Next, place one of the O-rings on the side of the nut that has the recessed groove. Then screw onto the bulkhead. Using a wrench, hold the nut in place inside your kettle, then hand tighten the bulkhead fitting from the outside. Next, wrap the threaded portion of the thermometer in Teflon tape about 3 times around, then screw into the bulkhead fitting.